What if I told you humanity once came terrifyingly close to ending? Not in a movie, not because of aliens, but because nature almost wiped us out, and only a tiny number of humans may have survived. This is the story of the human bottleneck, the moment our entire species may have nearly disappeared. Imagine the ancient world. No cities, no farming, no safety nets, just small groups of humans trying to survive in a planet that could suddenly turn hostile. A major climate shock, a long drought, or years of extreme cold could mean one thing: no food, no water, no mercy. And when population sizes are already small, survival becomes a coin toss. Scientists use the term population bottleneck for moments when a species shrinks dramatically. Think of a wide river suddenly squeezed into a narrow gap. Fewer people means less genetic diversity, higher risk of disease wiping everyone out, and a much higher chance of extinction. Now here's the crazy part. There are signs that humans may have gone through bottlenecks more than once, meaning our ancestors may have had moments where we were one disaster away from being gone forever. So how do scientists even guess something like this? They study genetic diversity. In simple words, if a species has very low genetic variation, it can suggest that, long ago, the population became very small. Humans have less genetic diversity than you might expect for a species spread across the entire planet. That doesn't prove one single apocalypse happened, but it strongly suggests our history included periods where our numbers were squeezed down hard. And one recent line of research even argues that, at one point, the effective breeding population may have dropped dramatically for a long period. The headline sounds shocking, but the real lesson is deeper. Our survival was not guaranteed. So what could have caused bottlenecks? There isn't just one agreed answer, but here are the major possibilities scientists discuss. Extreme climate shifts. Ice ages and rapid cooling can collapse ecosystems. Megadroughts in key regions. If water disappears, migration becomes deadly. Volcanic winters as a hypothesis. Some scientists have discussed whether massive eruptions could have reduced sunlight and disrupted food chains. And here's the most important point. Even without a single doomsday event, a long period of instability could shrink populations for thousands of years. So, why didn't humans vanish? Because even early humans had something powerful: adaptability, mobility, learning, and planning. When the environment changed, humans could change hunting strategies, move to new habitats, shift diets, and pass knowledge to the next generation. Small improvements mattered. A better shelter, a smarter route, a new tool, a seasonal pattern remembered. Survival wasn't one heroic moment. It was 1,000 tiny wins. And once conditions improved, those surviving groups expanded. Slowly at first, then faster. Over many generations, humans spread, adapted, and diversified into different populations across regions. It's humbling. Every human alive today may carry the legacy of ancient survivors who made it through the worst periods of Earth's unpredictability. In a way, modern humanity is the comeback story of evolution.